In this tutorial, let's learn about the nested loop. So what do you mean by a nested loop? So a loop within another loop is known as a nested loop. So let's see. A loop may contain another loop in its body. So a loop may contain another loop in its body. This form of loop is called a nested loop. So this is known as a nested loop, means a loop in another loop. Okay. But in a nested loop, the inner loop must terminate before the outer loop. So the inner loop must terminate before the outer loop. The following is an example of a nested loop, where a for loop is a nested within another for loop. So I will show you a program in which a for loop will be nested in another loop. So let's see the example. Now this is the example of a nested loop. So here I have taken the first loop variable as I, so and the inner loop variable as j. So here the range is 1 to 5, means from starting from 1 and till 4, and in the next one j, I to I plus 1. So it will take start from the value 1 and it will take the value of I and it will be less than I. Okay. So next is print I comma j. So I am printing here I and j, and the end state end variable is that nothing. So therefore it will not move to the new line. And after that, for this loop I have taken a blank print statement. Okay. So here when the I value is 1, then what will happen? The inner loop will print the values 1 1. Then when the I value is 2, then it will print like 2 1, then again 2 2. Then when this I value is 3, then 3 1, 3 2 and 3 3. So similarly 4 1, 4 2 and 4 3. In this way the loop is executed and the loop variables change. So let's see another example. So now here, as you can see, this is the design, which is the output. So I have just printed, instead in the last tutorial I have printed I and j, but in this program I am printing what? Star. So in this star, when printing this star, it will come 1 star for this first I, then 2 star for when I value 2, then 3 star for I value 3 and 4 stars for I value 4. In this way we can print stars. Okay. So here I have mentioned that 5, so therefore there are 4 lines. So you can also make it user defined by declaring this as input statement. Okay. So n is equal to int input, enter number of rows. So how many rows you want? So here in the output you can see that enter number of rows. So if you enter 5, then there will be 5 rows, and if you enter 6, then there will be 6 rows. And I have changed the here, instead of constant I have used this variable. So here n plus 1 and I plus 1, that is this variable. So in this way we can change the for loops into a nested loop. Thank you.